We're on the road out to Smithys on the Cape Leveque Road. A fair few corrugations and we've got to go through a bit of sand, so we're airing down. What are you airing down to, Watto?
24 of me van, I've gone 35 of me back of me truck and 25 in the front.
I've gone 30 all round. Probably not really enough.
Probably enough to make a difference.
Furthest north I've ever been on the west coast.
Right, there we go.
Of Australia.
Evidence. This is Smithys camp. I was staying for a couple of days and there's some cute little kids we've just been chatting to.
Here we are at Smithys, which is an Aboriginal community called Mbalgan, just north of Beagle Bay. The black fellas up here allow you to camp here. There's a heap of camps up on the top there that I'm filming now. We've come down onto the beach where we camp for the next few days. It's Camp Carter. Here we have Camp Watman. Very, very nice. Got anything to say, children?
Yeah, this is a fantastic spot.
Watman's is filling their gobs. So is the Carter. The wife Carter.
Big day's drive today.
Yep, where are we, Wendy?
We're at Smithys Seaside Adventures, $40 a night.
There's the sun setting in the west.
He doesn't know what to do. I put Angus in the bucket to wash him. Stay there.
Live action!
It is live action. He'd probably lose it this time. I was too busy sleeping last time.
Tom Cruise catches the fish.
What you got, babe?
Spanish mackerel.
Put up a big fight, did he?
Nah, not that huge.
No, good on you, darling. Well done.
Got one. Tell you what, that one I lost last time, dude.
Just leaving Smithys.
Just aired up again. We're about to hit the bitumen. We went in with 30 psi and now we're back up to around 45, and we have so far done a bit of damage because we weren't airing down. On the last camp we're at Quandong Point and we didn't air down, and the corrugations were pretty bad and we'd done a bit of damage. We loosened a compression nut on our power steering, lost all the oil out of it, and we got some more at Beagle Bay community store there and topped her up, and it just missed out again, and we could see where it's coming from, and luckily it was the compression nut, so we just tightened that up and it's been great since. We also cracked a mount that supports the clutch hydraulic line. Cracked that, we've cable tied that back up. Probably fix that when we get home. Barnell Station Road, just got onto it, already passed about 10 caravans. Hugely busy. Road's not too bad.
We're staying here for 3 nights. It's $35 a night. We're in the overflow, unpowered. The overflow, you just turn up. There's people all over the place here.
Well, I know how you want it to seem, but we'll watch as it all plays out. From the crest of the wave that we broke upon and pulled you back into the sea. take all our life to explain that it's more beautiful when you're here. I remember the light when I turned her out and revealed all the truth, no escape. Oh, ain't right.
This is the cairn at Barn Hill. What does it represent, Bob?
Some explorer put it here in the 1800s.
Let's see over the Indian Ocean and down onto the camping ground. This is what they call the Lost City at Barn Hill Station. It's pretty amazing. This reminds me a little bit of the Bungle Bungles, just a miniature version, only what I've seen in pictures.
Barn Hill.
Stories that my father told me never seemed quite real. Put some pieces in me back that I didn't even feel. But God help me, I was only 19. And can you tell me, doctor, why I still can't get to sleep? Why the Channel 7 chopper chills me to my feet? And what's this rash that comes and goes? Can you tell me what it means? God help me.
You're in
I was only 19.